caramel sauce. Pour the sugar into an even layer in a large saucepan. It's fine. You know when you just do things and it's like, okay. Everything's fine, but it's not what it's not. Okay, add the butter. Fun, fam, fun. Okay, we can't let her go too long, it says, or else she'll burn. I think it's burning. Oh my god. I'm sweating. There's a fire in here. One of these.
Oh.
One of these. Love a slick licking of butter. Ooh, girl, that don't feel nice. Gently rub your pan with your butterfinger. Did we chefing it up? Look at us go. Uh-oh. Pretend I didn't do that.
It's looking smooth.
Everything's ship-shape, baby. Everything's ship-shape. It only boiled over 3 or 4 times, but it's fine.
Cranberry sauce is complete.
Okay, I took the spoon, went in the thing.
Yeah.
So we're making cheesecake right now, and I've never put brown sugar in cheesecake, but I've never made cheesecake, to be honest. But there's brown sugar going in, and there's flour for some odd reason, so we're just gonna cream this together. I don't have a mixer, so I'm gonna do it myself. There's nothing wrong with this. We don't have a mixer, so Krueger's the next best thing. This is what I do for a living. Hi, how are you?
Gotta really get your hand in there.
I'm like trying, so like both hands.
There we go.
Ew.
What are your thoughts at this point in time?
It's 12:33 and we don't have a turkey in the oven.
Oh no.
That's my thoughts. Anyways, back soon. Why does it have eggs in it? Apparently it has eggs in it. Okay, it's good. I like lots of vanilla. What's next? Okay, mix on low speed, add eggs at once. I don't know why there's eggs in cheesecake. This is good. Oh my god, the whisk is gonna break. Oh no. Was it gooey?
That was good.
Dude, look how smooth she is. She ain't lumpy. You know that song, like, what's that? No, how does it go? My humps, my love, my lovely, like, it doesn't go like that.
Something like that.
Ooh, check it out, right? Doesn't it go like that? Ooh, yes, queen. Wait. Mid. Okay. So many people had doubts about the cheesecake today, baby. We got a cheesecake. Quarter teaspoon fucking nutmeg, bro. So right now, I'm finishing the yam bake. Even though I have a bird that isn't in the oven. That's the teases. Oh. How goes it, Sergi?
Unproductive.
I see. Cooking with Krueger. Sponsored by Hydro Flask. Ew. Okay, this didn't work. What do I do? Oh, right, open this. Power here. Oh, God. We just have a
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, okay, something's done. She's done. What's happening here? I don't know. What the fuck? Ew. Okay. Oh. I don't have servants to do it for me, so it's all on crew. I need a spatula. Fucking disgusting. Disgusto combusto, man.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Mmm. So now we're cooking up a pumpkin pie. We're cooking up 2 pumpkin pies. And this is the final dessert. So we're almost done and then we're gonna move on to the rest of the dinner. So right now we are about to make the pumpkin pies. Unfortunately, Isaac forgot the rolling pin. So we're gonna use a water bottle. It's fine. And we're gonna use this surface to do it, which is slightly sketchy, but fucking we don't care. It's Thanksgiving, baby. oh, sorry, it's cruise giving.
Cruise giving.
That's actually so tacky, it's not. Shit's hitting the fan right now. Ew, ew, is that egg? It's egg, ugh, what the fuck? But this is my dough, I made it this morning. Flour, sugar, water, I think. Should I cover this in saran wrap?
If you want.
I feel like nah. Some of it's a little more wet than others because unevenness. On a floured surface, roll out your dough with your water bottle. Don't worry, it's clean. Also sponsored by Hydro Flask, but not really. Ooh, whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Ugh. Oh shit. Quality by Crew, but not really. Chef Crew. The drum, it says on hips. 1 foot in what acres got zigzag. I gotta stop. Clap 3 times, shake it out, head to toe, throw it all again. That's how we roll. What the fuck? Okay, there's a good way to do this, and it's not like that. That's sick. Fucking sick, man. Ew! Why does it have a fucking film on it? Wet. Excuse me, go back. Ah! Oh, fuck me. Oopsie. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Been cooking for quite a while.
It's Thanksgiving, baby.
Is that next week?
It's this week for us. It's Cruise Thanksgiving Love Fest. You.
Use content aware fill on Photoshop.
Can we Facetune her? That would be embarrassing if they weren't done, Isaac.